Greetings, you're watching Automotive Territory. Taking a bicycle on a trip does not have to be inconvenient. To make our lives easier, manufacturers came up with folding frame construction that lets you transport your two-wheelers without any extra hassle. Are you having trouble with storing or transporting your electric bicycle? If so, in this episode we'll show you the best folding models on today's market. One last thing before we get to the lineup, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and in case you want to watch even more informative videos about electric transport, visit our friend's channel Brent McCloskey Electrified Reviews. He's an expert in the field. You will find a link in the description. Enjoy the ride! Xiaomi Mijia QiCycle. If you're looking for an affordable electric bicycle from a reliable manufacturer, you should definitely look into the lineup suggested by the Chinese high-tech giant Xiaomi. Mijia QiCycle has foldable construction and can easily fit into a trunk of the smallest car. Geared up with a 250-watt electric hub motor fitted to the front wheel, it can reach 13 miles per hour top speed without pedaling. The Panasonic battery pack is incorporated into the frame and should have enough charge for about 30 miles of range. QiCycle's most unique feature is the presence of multiple sensors, large TFT information screen, and full smartphone connectivity, which allows for monitoring of speed, distance, and burn calories. Moreover, special TMM sensors located in the pedals control the pressure applied by the rider to synchronize the motor's output and make the ride as comfortable as possible. With only $700 in the price tag, this tiny smart bike is a real steal for a city commuter. Edmotor Moten M150. This is a foldable e-bike with 4-inch wide tires that offers an ideal combination of portability and all-terrain capability. It conquers sand-packed snow, muddy or wet roads, steep hills, and fits into a car trunk easily, so you can take it to a countryside or a beach. Admittedly, weighing about 60 pounds, M150 is a little heavy for a foldable bike, so if you're interested in a city commuter, you might want to look into more lightweight options on our list. The bike can be operated with a throttle or by pedaling only, plus it has 5 levels of assist. On the first speed, its range is promised to reach 55 miles per charge. However, if you want to squeeze 23 miles per hour maximum speed from the 500-watt motor, the riding time will be cut more than in half. The price is set at $1,500, but for additional $200, you can get a more powerful 750-watt motor, front suspension, and a larger battery. Red Mini. Within the last couple of years, Red Power Bikes has risen to become one of the most recognized affordable electric bicycle manufacturers on the market. In 2018, they offer a completely redesigned lineup built from the ground up, taking into consideration the experience and feedback collected from thousands of buyers. The Red Mini Fat Bike is priced at $1,500, and the 2018 model features an upgraded battery pack with Samsung cells rated for 800 charge cycles. The powerful rear-mounted 750-watt Bafang-geared hub motor ensures 20 mph top speed, and the range reaches 25 to 45 miles. The front and rear lights are integrated, front suspension is a standard, and LCD display lets you know everything about the ride. Moreover, the Red Mini could be geared up with front and rear racks and baskets, effectively turning it into a cargo bicycle. Evelo Quest 1. Built by a Washington-based company, Evelo, this e-bike is a lightweight and simple-to-use option for city dwellers. Quest 1 is folded in just 30 seconds, taking so little space that you can take it on a bus or train ride, transport it in a car trunk, and store it in a closet. The bike is equipped with a 250-watt Bafang rear hub motor, a high-end single-speed CVT from Novinci, and a Gates belt drive system. The power comes from a removable frame-integrated Samsung battery that is good for at least 20 miles. Quest 1 has 5 levels of pedal assist and the top speed of 20 mph. It is sold in 2 color schemes and is completely risk-free due to the free US delivery, 10 days trial period with free return, and a 4-year-long warranty. Since the cost is quite high, starting from $2,000, the company offers 6 and 12 months financing programs. Sondors Fold and Fold X. Sondors has managed to make a name for itself as the manufacturer of quite simply constructed but reliable and affordable electric bikes. At the moment, the company sells 5 models of e-bikes, out of which 2 have folding construction. The cheaper Fold that costs $899 gets a 350-watt motor. while the X modification is equipped with a 500-watt motor and a larger battery. The range that could be expected from Sondors fluctuates around 30 to 35 miles in throttle mode and reaches 60 miles with pedal assist. Unlike the steel frame used for the original model, Fold's frame is aluminum one-size-fits most, ensuring comparative lightness of 50 pounds in the fully assembled mode. These folding fat bikes are currently sold across North America, while in Europe the company offers downsized versions called Mini and Mini Sport. Patago Latch. This is a folding bicycle built by Patago, the largest electric bikes manufacturer in the US. Despite its compact size, it is surprisingly comfortable to ride, delivering a real full-size feel due to the adjustable handlebars and an upright riding position. The bike has 5 levels of pedal assist, plus a twist-and-go throttle override. It features the latest depot-geared front hub motor, Gates belt drive, reliable disc brakes, and a removable lithium battery with Samsung cells and a 2-year warranty. Equipped with front and rear integrated LED lights and reflective tape on the tires, it does a great job when it comes to safety. However, the main advantage of this Patago e-bike is its user-friendliness. It has an LCD screen reflecting the riding mode, speed and battery level, and a USB charging port for your phone or wireless headphones. Hey, you're still here! Just a quick note, if you're interested in buying any of these bikes, make sure to check out the description to the video. Some of them are sold on Amazon. Just follow the links and you'll be helping our channel grow. Let's keep rolling! A Volt Bike Mariner. The British Columbia, Canada-based Volt Bike company was started with an idea to bring to North America a premium electric bike at half the price. Though still not the most affordable model out there, but customer satisfaction rating and rich standard package do make Volt bikes rather appealing. Among multiple offered models stands out the Mariner, which is the 20-inch wheel compact folding bike. This vehicle is equipped with a 500-watt Bafang motor and the batteries with either Samsung or Panasonic cells. Tactile front and rear disc brakes and Kenda tires ensure maximum control and stability. As a standard, you will get front and rear lights, front suspension with 100mm travel, and even fenders and a cargo rack. At the time of the release of this video, the Mariner is on sale with an appealing price for the whole package that stands at $1,649. Tern Vactron S10. The price of this bike can easily scare off many buyers. However, you have to understand that Vactron S10 is a premium electric two-wheeler that gets equipped with high-quality components, has unique construction choices, and a long-term warranty. The proprietary parts of Tern bikes get 5 years limited coverage, and if you register your model, you get 10 years in total. The mid-mounted Bosch Performance Active Line 36V 250-watt motor has adequate power for daily commute, and the battery ensures 28 to 62 miles of range in pedal assist. Though the frame comes only with one size, the seat height and stem angle are easily adjustable, so riders with different body complexion will find it comfortable. Other notable components are Schwalbe tires with puncture protection, integrated lights, hydraulic disc brakes, and the Purion display. Plus, the manufacturer offers plenty of accessories that could be mounted onto the frame, turning it into a true hauler. Gi FlyBike. This is probably one of the most futuristically looking folding bikes on the market that shares premium features with some impressive engineering decisions. Current models sold by Gi FlyBike are G3 and GS, the former one being the flagship with steep $3,800 price, while the latter is a simplified version stripped of some non-vital tech components. The Panasonic battery is concealed within the frame, as well as the major wiring, making the look extremely sleek and clean-cut. The frame of this e-bike is made of magnesium alloy, which results in reduced weight of just 36 pounds. However, the payload is decreased to 220 pounds. The 500-watt hub motor is mounted on the front wheel, independently from the pedal drive, making this a two-wheel drive bicycle. You can expect to travel at speed up to 20 miles per hour, with a range of about 40 miles in pedal assist mode. Brompton Electric. Developed as a healthy alternative to driving your car within city limits, this electric bike stands out from the crowd due to its removable battery, simple foldable mechanism, and easy handling. It has 4 levels of pedal assist and can be ridden quite smoothly as a regular bicycle. Brompton Electric has a 250-watt front hub brushless motor that allows for a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour with no pedaling involved. Its max range varies from 25 to 50 miles, depending on the rider's weight, terrain, and speed. The bicycle weighs from 36.6 to 38.4 pounds with the battery, leaving the idea that electric bikes are bulky and heavy in the past. While deliveries are expected to start later this year, Brompton is available for reserve in the UK only. And though a 2-ampere charger and an additional 1.5-liter shoulder bag for the battery are included in the standard package, we still must note that its price is quite steep, around $3,425. And a little bonus: Gi FlyBike. It is hard to impress anyone today with an electric bicycle, but this one is no ordinary two-wheeler. Gi Fly's major advantage over the competition is its 1-second fast-folding ability. Besides fitting into your trunk, it can be wheeled like a rollable luggage. The e-bike has superb 40-mile range, can go as fast as 15 miles per hour, plus higher speeds could be achieved via pedaling. For your safety and comfort, it was equipped with rear and front lights, smart locking system, USB charger, and anti-puncture tires. It is worth mentioning that Gi Fly was originally funded via Kickstarter and struggled with deliveries. However, once the buyers finally got it, the feedback was overwhelmingly positive. So hurry up until they last. Last time we checked, only 30 units were available. Would you say that folding frames make electric bicycles even more appealing as a last-mile transportation? Did we miss any of the great models? Another quick reminder to follow the links in the description if you want to buy any of these bikes. They're sold on Amazon. Subscribe to our channel, watch suggested episodes, and like the video. As always, may the torque be with you!